What you working on?
My hoist quit working. That just kicks a breaker every time I try to use it.
You gotta take this thing apart.
Yeah. Here, you hold the light. I can't see nothing.
You want me to hold light?
Yeah.
Dude, you know what? You need a better solution for this.
Yeah, I do. It's you.
No, I don't need to be your holder. That's below my pay grade. I got a better idea.
All right.
Here, hold that. I got you something. Saw this online, and you were the first one I thought of because I always see you holding a flashlight with your mouth or your neck or whatever.
Right.
I got you flashlights for your fingers.
Cool.
So these are flashlight gloves. I found these online. I don't know if you can see that. But didn't wrap it up, but that's your Christmas gift.
Thank you.
You definitely need those.
We're going to try it out right now.
Let's try it out. Better than holding this stupid light.
Oh, this the batteries?
Batteries. Should already have batteries in it, I think. Yeah, thumb in there.
I'm in there. Oh, wow.
Here, put that on.
I won't need you to hold the light anymore.
Check that out.
Cool. Yeah, it even come with extra batteries.
Now,
Now,
you are free to use your
Yeah.
tools and see what you're working on.
yeah,
Look at that.
that does work pretty good.
What do you think?
It's cool.
So now you got both hands free.
Yeah.
You won't get crook in your neck.
Yeah.
And I no longer have to hold that stupid flashlight for you.
I can shine this one in your eye while I'm working.
Anyway,
Cool.
that's a great gift idea for somebody. But I think every guy who works in the garage or does DIY stuff needs a pair of these. I think they're only about 20 bucks. You can get them on Amazon. I'm not being sponsored, or Jeff and I aren't being sponsored by this company, but Perigo LED flashlight gloves, get you a pair. These things are awesome.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah.